Hey, this is Ben. I have the kitchen Sinkshroom strainer here. I'm excited about trying this out. Let's get this out and give it a try. All right, having it in hand, it's nice and thin feeling. It's light, but it feels nice and sturdy, nice and solid. The center part is a bit flexible. And in fact, it looks like you can pull it out if you want to. Here's our traditional stopper. There's already food in it, but if you look down in, you can see the food creating a mess and a clog already. Let's see how this fits down in. It fits nice and perfect. It is the perfect size. Looks like it's even made to go in there. The center part here rises up above the level, so it prevents pots, pans, and other flat items from blocking the hole and preventing the water from flowing out. I know that happens to us, and we'll be washing dishes and get a sink full of water because we're blocking the hole. This is intended to improve the flow of water when your sink is full of food scraps. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.